In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the battery on a Subaru Baja's key fob. Now, the first thing you want to do is take the key fob and flip it over. On the back, you'll see that there are two screws that hold the two plastic plates together. With the small Phillips screwdriver, we can easily remove these two screws. Setting these screws to the side, we can then open up the key fob. It should just simply pull apart. Now, it's really important that you do not touch the circuit board when you're trying to remove the battery, as that can cause major damage and it can completely ruin your fob. So to take the battery out, we're just going to gently take our thumb, push it on the battery, and simply slide it forward until it pops out of that little spring. Then we'll just dump it out. And the battery that we'll be using to replace this is the CR2032. If you need to pick one of these up, I'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description, meaning if you do make a purchase, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Inserting the new battery into the key fob is very simple. Biggest thing you just want to make sure is not to touch the circuit board, and then also to have the positive side facing up or towards you. With that in mind, simply take that battery, gently put it onto the circuit board, and slide it down into place. Just like that. Should kind of click into place, meaning that you got it. Also, before you put the fob back together, make sure you put that little key ring back into the spot. Otherwise, you will have a really hard time getting this fob back onto your keychain. Okay, once that's all done, we'll go ahead and just take these screws and go ahead and replace them. Once it's put back together, we're going to go ahead and flip it over, test out the buttons, make sure we got that light coming on, and you are done. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.